Greetings, Earthlings. I'm about to introduce you to a feline. This is a woman feline. Her name, of course, is Natasha. She has white Russian blood in her. To paraphrase the immortalized Alexandra Ivanovna, to matter as male required filthy riches. To matter as a male required filthy riches, piratical looks, and spanning wit. Alexis seldom located two qualities in one man, never all three. This is a shout out to the author Trevanian, by the way. Major petty irritation. Natasha was first striking as a female for the annihilating harm her tongue wreaked on peripheral pussy. Women of all species she deemed sexually superstitious, open to bribery, dead to philosophy, and lushly intellectual. That's a long way of saying she didn't like other women. The orifice of the vulva was nowhere pitfall in her social orbit, a cosmology organized about a predestined center of gravitation. Natasha was the real black hole. Her magnetic density drew light, suction vacuum, swept soul from the very air. Into her maw, the whirlpool energy of time poured. Future whims suffocated the respiration of youth. Lactiferous femininity dripped from her fangs as if lifting her head from a kill. Sex and sinew indistinguishable. Natasha dismissed suitors as suicidal pansied plaintiffs indecently courting self-destruction. She meant to slay one dragon ego, and the veritable gun muzzles of her violet green eyes cross-haired her prey behind the shoulder blade over the heart. The heroically unequivocal sword ordained to encounter the master sheath. Natasha drew breath wildly, aorta an urgent metronome, romance coursing to her extremities. Breathless, she reclined in near stuporous languor. Sleep defeating passion, sensibility suspended, as if love were diseased apathy. Modestly overshadowed fragrance, flagrantly exposed to world hunger, she drifts indomitably on the current of tomorrow, day of promise, unclouded by memory. I'd like to get a shot at that flower. You'll see her again. Thanks for stopping in.